What is up YouTube? It's Andy back again from the underground. Today we're taking a look at the Thresher pad by Darko Lifting. This is my third product that I've gotten from them, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. I wanted a seat that I could use for my lat pull down setup with my Monster Slinger weight stack. This nice little seat does that, as well as have 5 adjustable angles, and with these angles ranging from 0 to 15 to 30 to 45 and to 60, it could do a whole bunch of different exercises. I'm going to show you later in this video all of the different exercises that you could do. The pad is nice and firm, and let's get into the specifics of it. I bought this as a blemish product and it cost me $200 shipped to my door. If you want to take a risk and get blem products from Darko, make sure you follow his Instagram as well as his activity on the home gym Discord. Darko runs periodic sales, usually every holiday that comes up, and you can get discounts off of non-blemish products. The Thresher is made in the USA, it weighs 10 pounds, and the thickness of the steel is 0.187 inches, and it comes in 3 pieces as you see here. To assemble it, you use a little square that Darko provides to measure the distance from bracket to bracket. I actually cheated with this assembly and looked at the assembly video before putting it together. The 4 holes in the back portion is where the screws go. One of my holes in the pad was covered by vinyl. No issues there, I just used an X-Acto knife very carefully to finish cutting out the hole. When assembling the Thresher, make sure you have the holes aligned properly so that when you use your mag pins, it could fit in easily. If your mag pin has a rounded end, it should fit pretty easily, but if you're using a straight end mag pin like I will be using in this video, it might take a little bit more work or more getting used to. You'll need 2 mag pins to use the Thresher pad, and they don't come with it. If you're looking for a really nice, high quality and expensive one, Oak Club sells them. But if you're looking for a more reasonably priced mag pin, I'd say go with Giant Lifting or Fringe Sport. The Thresher pad overall has a really nice finish. It comes in this nice textured powder coat, as well as having the laser cut logo on the side. And as you can see, the pad itself is really firm, but not too firm, where it's too stiff like the Rogue Adjustable 3.0. And as you can see here, the Thresher pad is like a tank. Once you get both of the mag pins in, it ain't going anywhere. There's no wiggle or play with it. It just sits really firm, really stiff, and this is how it should be when using an angled pad like this. And the spotter arm I'm using here is the Black Widow low profile spotter. If you want to see a video on that, I do have that on my channel, and you can probably see in the description down below a link to it. The unique thing with this spotter arm is that you're able to use the Thresher pad over the lip of the spotter arm, so you can extend out the pad further, and you can probably use it for a lot more exercises than you can on a normal spotter arm that you can't get it over. Here you can see I set up the Thresher on an upright of my rack. It can go straight on upright, so then you can use it as a back pad. You can stand there and do strict curls or whatever kind of motion that you want to do. I show some different exercises in this video. Just getting into the measurements of it, it goes about 13 inches in length, and it is 8.5 inches in width. And the pad itself, it's about 2.5 inches thick. And if you made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. And let's get into the lifts of the Thresher pad. The first exercise that I'm going to show you is the chest supported rows. I'm using the Rogue revolver plates, the 6 shooters. And here, the second one, I am using the Thresher pad like a Pritchard pad and using the Kabuki open trap bar as a row mechanism. This motion, I really like it, and I think it actually feels really nice, especially once you start getting some weight on it. And the next motion I want to get into is the seated preacher curl. This is using a single arm. You can just move the bench on to the other side to get the other arm, but this motion has a lot of support for your elbows. And just kind of going off of that, you can see that I'm doing a standing preacher curl here. In this motion, I'm doing the incline dumbbell bench press. I still prefer an incline bench overall to this motion, but this is doable on the Thresher pad. And here I'm doing a standing dumbbell curl at the same time, just using the Thresher pad as support for my back. And the last motion I'm going to do is the side lateral raises with the dumbbells. And as always, again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.